Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Days. It's early in the morning. It's just now reaching 8 o'clock and we have been busy since 6 o'clock this morning. We have a possible hurricane coming into the Gulf Coast. So for all of you who do not know where Deep South and Crazy Days is, we are 30 miles north of the Mississippi Gulf Coast. We have one county in between us and the coast. That county is under a storm surge watch or warning because they will get the storm surge. We are under a hurricane warning, which means that we will have hurricane force winds 70 plus miles per hour come through here. Now, Danny and I have a storm cellar. I think he built this after Katrina because he went through Katrina, that's Hurricane Katrina, and he saw a need because they had to evacuate from here and go somewhere else, him and his wife at the time, and he said, I'm going to be able to stay because he couldn't get back after Katrina. It took him a day and a half to get back here. So we prepare. We don't leave. We have the cellar, and Porch Time on Deep South Homestead is going to be talking about being prepared. Now, I'm going to show you what I do as far as getting ready ahead of the storm. Now, if it does not come in with tornadoes and stuff, then we will stay here in the house usually. But this type of hurricane coming in with that type of wind, and we're on the worst side because it's moving a little west, we're going to be on the worst side, and then it's going to curve and come back over us, which means we stay under the rainy part of it for maybe 2 to 3 days. So that's what we're worried about, is the rain, the tornadoes that come off of it. And so we're well prepared. The animals are well taken care of. They all have their thing. We check on them several times a day during storms and make sure everything is okay. We keep a check on fencing because we don't want our animals out. But for Danny and I, this is what I do. All right, today it's not raining. It will start later today or tonight raining. So we don't go to the cellar unless we have to. So that would be tomorrow evening or tomorrow night, according to weather predictions. But we have a futon down there that we can sleep on. So I have a bag with sheets and blankets and stuff, and then we will take our pillows in another bag. But these go down tomorrow. Before it starts just pouring down rain, and we will get those down. May take them down sometime this afternoon. Now, our O-lights. Y'all, we love our O-lights. I'm going to tell you. I'm taking this one, the Seeker 2. It is charged. And I'm taking the pretty red, white, and blue. These things charge on that if I need to. But they're fully charged. They will last the day or so that we have to have them. But we're also taking the rock pile. We can plug in anything we need to in order to have electricity. We're also taking the Yeti, and we will have snacks and stuff and plenty of water. Now, Danny and I both have these. We will take those full of water. I will take extra water. We will be well prepared with water. The Yeti will have snacks, like I said, something to eat, and I will make my coffee ahead of time and have a thing of coffee. It may be cold, but I will have coffee for the next morning if we go down. Now, we have power in the cellar. This is a backup, just in case the power goes out. Now, we have the big Blue Eddy that we could take, but we don't intend to stay in the storm cellar for long periods of time. It is a temporary 24-hour or less usually deal. Most of the time 6 to 8 hours. So this is in case the power goes out and we need a fan. Otherwise, we have lights here that will work. If the power stays on, we have power. Not a big deal. So today, I will be cooking this afternoon. I will get the snacks ready. Anything that Danny needs to eat, I'll get my snacks ready. We will get the water ready. Everything will be cooked and ready in case we have to go tomorrow. Like this is Sunday, the 13th, 14th. I'm not sure the date yet, but it is on Sunday. They're not predicting the storm to come in till Monday evening into Tuesday evening. So we play it by ear. Danny watches the weather continuously. We hope to keep you updated and let you know of all the things that is going on around here. But Deep South is doing great on Sunday. Just keeping you posted, guys. I'm busy, busy, busy. headed out. Danny's getting the top of the cellar ready. Everything where we don't have to worry about anything blowing anywhere. We're picking up stuff outside. I got the downstairs, the cellar done. It is clean and ready. This will go down. Guys, we're good to go. We'll check in with you again and check out Porch Time on Tuesday morning. Thank you guys from Crazy Days.